Michael Gillet.
Bonjour.
We are here at NG Patisserie and Cafe.
Yes, welcome.
And thank you very much. We see a lot of very, very good savory and desserts. And you also have cafe and latte.
Cafe, latte, cappuccino, espresso.
Everything that we can order for either breakfast or lunch.
Lunch or before going to bed, if you like. At closing time, yes. Any time of the day.
So tell us a little bit about you. Where are you from in France?
So I'm from Burgundy in France. This is where I grew up. So Burgundy is about an hour and 45 minutes from Paris, south of Paris. It's a very country, lots of wine, lots of cheese. And this is where I learned to cook and to do pastry as well. So
that's the best wine in Burgundy.
Yes, it is. Yes, it's what they say up there. Yes.
And did you get decades of experience as a 2-star Michelin pastry chef, mostly in France?
Yes, I did. Yeah, I was very fortunate to work for some very famous restaurants, and we are two Michelin star restaurants in Burgundy. And then this is where I got my trainings and working hard in the field. Yes.
You have a traditional training.
Yes, I have a very fundamental training, basic training. And then after over 30 years working in restaurants, hotels, different type of food industry, then I make my training and working under so many great chefs and some MOF, some master chefs, some James Beard winners, and then we can go as long as you want. And the hotel, 5-star, 5-diamond hotels. To name some famous chef in the States, we have Jose Andres. I worked with Jose Andres for 3 years, very famous chef in Los Angeles. So, yeah.
And then here in Las Vegas, we are also a culinary world city. What brought you to this location?
So before opening my shop 2.5 years ago, I was working on the strip like many chefs, and then I was working there for since 2010, and then in 2019 I decided to open this business, and I worked for the company Caesar Entertainment at the time, and then I worked at other places. I worked for the Red Rock Hotel in Casino. I opened Sugar Factory on the strip when I moved here in Las Vegas, and then it was time for me to leave the corporate world. Yes. And I finally made the move to open my own shop, and basically the whole circle. This is where I trained. This is where I started in France. I started in a small shop, small bakeries, and then now it's a full circle. Now I'm back to it, and then we do everything here. We do everything from scratch. We do everything on premise, and then
everything from scratch and made daily.
Daily, yes.
Fresh.
Yeah, fresh daily. We make everything here.
And you also have customers that come and sit and have lunch or breakfast, lunch or
yeah, we offer
dinner here.
We offer a little like we call this like a brunch all day. So it's like a little sandwich, flatbread, some quiche, crepes. So it can we touch base for everything everybody likes. So then it's like a menu we offer all day from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Yeah.
Can you tell us about your takeout options? So we see some are here. Perhaps you can tell us about.
So this one is very popular. Is a coconut passion fruit. We have all about chocolate. It's chocolate cake, chocolate cream, chocolate mousse, chocolate macaroons. We do the creme brulee in-house in cans. So we burn them in front of you, and you can take it to go. We have an hazelnut cake and chocolate, very popular. This one is a very cake more light, not so sweet. It's berry with matchas and mango. Of course, we have to have a tiramisu. It's very popular,
yes.
Very, very popular. And we also do something more American. It's more like a cheesecake. It's a take on 2-texture cheesecake. And we do also some cookies. And hot milk cookies, very popular. It was the same recipe I make for Ozzy Osbourne when I used to work in Los Angeles. So it's a very famous cookie. And we have the lunch menu. We have the breakfast. And we're going to start using soon, we're going to be able to use Uber Eats, so we're going to be able to provide for takeout, also delivery. And we have so much going on coming. We do high tea once a month, on Saturday only, once a month, one Saturday a month. And we have all the fun things coming for the holiday, the pies, we do the U-Log that coming out, we're doing the king cake in January, very popular, so PTVAs for the people who knows. Yep.
So if I come to your shop and I would like to have a custom cake that a personalized cake.
Yeah, we do that. We require like to be pre-order because we don't have cake on hand all the time pre-made. So we need at least about 72 hours, so it's about 3 days. And our cake is more modern, contemporary European cakes. We kind of go away from everything American with buttercream fondant. So we focus more on the flavor than having something very sweet, and so we're focusing about more decadence cakes. So, yeah.
Do you also have a service of catering?
Yes, we do.
And you have a staff that work with you?
Yes, we have so I partner with a company here called Phenom Worldwide. So they have since an event company, so they have all the logistics. So we can come to your place and make as you want, decorate and bring everything, and then I will bring the food. And then we can custom the menu for especially if it's a baby shower, if it's an holidays, or anniversary or birthdays. We do those kind of things. Yes.
Lastly, what is your favorite savory dish or gourmand dessert?
So my favorite dish right now on the menu we do a salmon flatbread. So it's a take on the bagels, but we use flatbread and we do like cream cheese, smoked salmon, and we do our own pickled cucumbers, onions, capers, and then we can put an eggs on it, and it comes with a green salad. It's very fun dish to eat all day long at any time for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or on the go. It's pretty awesome, yes. And then for me as a dessert, I always go back to the creme brulee or the chocolate cake, and I'm a big fan of almond croissant too. I have to have an almond croissant every single day, just about.
Okay,
yes.
Well, I think I'm gonna have the favorite dessert of the chef today. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, welcome.
I know you are quite busy, and today it's almost 1 o'clock, and yes. We see clients coming in, and it's time for you to go back to work. Right?
Yeah, we have a very busy morning today, and then now he's going to go back to work. Yeah, we're waiting for the lunch people now. So
thank you so much.
Thank
and just also you have an open kitchen, so we can see that you can work and prepare all the food while the clients are
so when people come, they can see us working on the production, on the service, making the dessert, making the cakes, and then it's a fun place to be, to hang out. And then we open Monday to Friday 8 to 4, Saturday, Sunday 10 to 3, so 7 days a week. We will see you soon. Thank you.
Every day of the week?
Yes, every day of the week, yes.
Okay, and then we can see here, I just take pictures with the dining area here, and you can also dine outside. It's a beautiful day today, so here we go. Right. Thank you, chef.
Thanks again. Thank you for coming. À bientôt. Au revoir. On se voit bientôt.